So the much-awaited, much-hyped Deepika Prabhas Kalki has hit the theatres, and how there's already been a fan frenzy early this morning. Even before we were waking up, there were already firecrackers on the ground. This was specifically in Bengaluru in Karnataka. Fans gathered in hundreds to cheer for the film. Also in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, where the latest reports have come from. Prabhas and Deepika starrer already had created a huge buzz. Even before the release, remember, the film has broken records even in North America. It's grossed over $2 million from the pre-sales alone. There have been super expensive tickets that have been sold within India as well. And these are the latest visuals that are coming in from early this morning. Even before sunrise, we have had visuals of literally what looks like a celebration with Kalki 289880. So let me immediately bring in our colleagues on the ground as well who are joining us from Bengaluru and from Hyderabad. Apurva is at the Devi Theatre in Hyderabad, Sanjay Ponappa, Mahadeshwar Theatre in Bengaluru. Sanjay, let's begin with you. Bengaluru is where I've heard there's been a lot of fireworks and craze happening. What are you picking up? What is the situation?
Well, the show started at 4:15 in the morning.
Wow.
The first show in Bengaluru started at 4:15 in the morning in Bengaluru Sandhya Theatre in Madiwala. And there was so much ruckus in this theatre that there was actually police intervention here to calm the fans who had gone crazy down. There was a lot of fireworks happening. They were everywhere. If you can see the frame here, there is a lot of after effects of whatever the firecrackers did to the place. There were firecrackers bursted over cars and all of that, visuals that have been put up. And that is what is happening right now. All the fans are inside the theatre. The
Sanjay, why do you think that is
going on?
Why do you think that is? Is it because of the film subject? Is it Prabhas? Is it the star-studded affair? What do you think has led to this sort of craze that we see on the ground?
Well, it is definitely Prabhas and his star power that is taking over all of Bengaluru. The Prabhas fan club is here and they have organized a lot of other events for the show here. As you can see, there are a lot of beats, the local Tamte beats that is also about to start since the climax of the film is going on, and the fans will be out already. So this is how they are going to welcome the fans who are here for the second show, as well as the fans who are here already watching the first show, the fan show that started at 4 a.m. in the morning.
All right, so stay on with me, Sanjay, because now I go to Hyderabad, where I'm told some real action has been happening. Apurva, Hyderabad city early this morning, do I already see people behind you? Tell us more about how the situation has been in the city, and specifically how for Telugu cinema also in many ways this has added to that craze.
Well, Pooja, behind me you can see Prabhas fan associations there clearly going about celebrating. This was, remember, yesterday, late last night, we saw how crowds had gathered here. This entire corridor of Satya Cinemas that we can see here had been decorated with Prabhas fans, all of them showering their love for the actor there. Remember, Prabhas has been a much-loved Tollywood and an Indian actor here. We've seen Bahubali, we've seen several other big hits from Prabhas as well. And this, as you can see, the celebrations there, that's all that you can see. In fact, the first show today was around 4:40 this morning. And just now, there's the people who had watched the first day first show that are coming out from the theatres out there. And already the stage is set for the second show as well that is coming out. Crowds of people who have all just come out after watching Kalki there, and it's definitely going to be an important and entertaining segment as well. All of them, as you can see, quite enthusiastic as they are coming out after watching the first day first show there. Satya Theatre is where we are at, and the first day first show was around 4 o'clock this morning. Crowds had gathered since late last night, let me tell you, and importantly, Pooja, it's drizzling out here as I am speaking right now, and still nothing has stopped these fans from coming out to show their love for Prabhas, for the film Kalki, and definitely for what they call their darling Prabhas.
Apurva, you know, I have to mention to the viewer that we are live right now. This is at about 7:30 a.m. That you look at the crowd, which means the show that started at about 5 a.m. Now, is this, is it just about the Telugu film, Do you think it is Prabhas? Do you think it is the subject that has caught people's attention? What is it that you see? I mean, we've seen this earlier in other actors' cases as well, specifically in Southern cinema. But this is, I mean, what does one call it if not extraordinary?
Well, Pooja, South cinema, South films always are a niche apart from Bollywood. That's something that I will tell you.
That can be debatable, but go ahead.
Justify what it is about. It's going to be quite interesting to see because remember, Prabhas has been a Tollywood actor. His films have been much awaited for long. After his last film, there's been quite a long time that people have been awaiting to watch their darling star on screen, and that's what you can see. That's the kind of people you can see, the public
Incredible.
who have been eagerly awaiting. In fact, if my cameraman can just show you the entire poster out there, there's a huge mala that has been made. Prabhas, who has been decorated, decked up to down in just flowers. Fan following that has been crazy out here in not only in Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, but
Apurva,
also
if I just want to interrupt you briefly, only if it's safe and comfortable to you, because I understand there's a lot of crowd there. Can you get in a word from someone, possibly who are coming out, who have gathered there? What do they have to say?
Let's just try and get in a word. Sir, have you watched the
Yes. It's a blockbuster. People have to watch this movie. They have to respect our culture. This is a blockbuster. This is our Purana and culture. Prabhas next level.
Super good. The direction
He is
is
a
good.
god.
The music is extraordinary. The performances are top notch. And we have so many big stars like Amitabh Bachchan sir, Kamal Haasan sir, Prabhas, Deepika Padukone, and there are so many unexpected cameos. It's like a full house experience in the theatre. Don't watch any spoilers. Just go and watch the movie. You will
That
enjoy it.
cliffhanger. At the end, that cliffhanger, that universe, that Kalki cinematic universe, you have to experience it in the theatres. That's it.
Madam, you've seen the movie. What do you think?
ప్రభాస్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ చాలా బాగుంది. లాంగ్వేజ్ ఫైట్ సూపర్ ప్రభాస్ బై లైకర్ సూపర్ ప్రభాస్ సూపర్
Seeing a lot of them perform. How was the movie?
It's crazy experience.
Excellent movies. Graphic, excellent movies. Ashwin is great Nirmata.
That's just one word that we're hearing from the fans
Fantastic.
here. They're just going ahead and they're saying it's an experience that one cannot miss, and that's Kalki.
Listen, Apurva, the reactions that you're bringing us, this is what makes someone a star. It's this fan who makes a film actor into star. And it's not just like they're mentioning, it's not just about Prabhas and Deepika. There's Amitabh Bachchan, there's Kamal Haasan with special cameos as well. So it looks like a star-studded affair. Stay on with me. Let's go to Bengaluru as well. Sanjay, fans coming out, it looks like. Can we get in a word from someone? What do you see around you?
Yes. How was the film, bro? How was the film?
Excellent, bro. Awesome movie. Everyone has to watch.
Super star.
How was Prabhas? Super. How's the film?
Excellent movie. Bhagavad Gita.
How's the film?
Vintage Prabhas we can see.
Bro, movie there, bro. Excellent ಆಗಿದೆ bro. Last time scene goosebumps bro. ಸಕ್ಕತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ bro. Mind blowing bro. ಅದು ನಾಗೇಶ್ ನಿಗಿರೋದು ಮೂವಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೂಪರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು bro. ಹೆವಿ bro ಮೂವಿ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು bro. Excellent bro.
How was the film?
It was so superb. Mind blowing. He was superb. A lot.
So that is what is happening in Bengaluru. All the fans have just come out after watching the first show.
Especially second half, super.
Great. So second half is something that you're supposed to look forward to. Everybody is just marveling about the first show. After the first show, everybody is just enjoying whatever happened inside the screen. That only makes me more excited to actually go and catch the show after all of this.
Wow, lovely. Thank you so much, Sanjay and Apurva, for getting us the latest. So while the country is still waking up Yes, in many parts. Listen to these fans and look at the sort of enthusiasm. It looks like a thumbs up. And if you thought it's just the southern states, that it's Hyderabad or Bengaluru city, I want to add, even in Mumbai, there have been expensive tickets, like over 2,000 rupees that the tickets have been sold for that first show. So it's across the country, and in many ways, this is what pan-India cinema, so to say, has become, breaking any sort of language barriers. People just want to go watch a great film irrespective. And that's what our colleagues on the ground this morning have got us. Thank you so much, and stay on with me.